Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to log in on Kraken. So let's get straight into it. Now what you will need to do is open your app. So if you have Kraken or you have Kraken Pro app, just open it. So let's say open like that. Now here you will see create account or sign in. All right. Now if you don't have an account, click here on the create an account. You will need to put here email which you want to use. If you already have an um, app, basically your account, you just click on sign in and you will see here that you can add email or username and password, or you can continue with Google. All right. But if you don't have that account, here you will create an account. Now, after the email which you put inside, you will need to add your some information. So you can also activate 2FA for login or for the withdrawal. So let me log in through Google account. Just like that, you just need to select your email, and now as you can see I need to check my email to sign in to confirm my presence. So it's like 2FA out. As you can see here on email, now I need to confirm, so I will press confirm sign in, and just like that I need to add my fingerprints. Now here I will accept this one. Okay. And now I'm back in my account at Kraken. But if you are new in this app, you will need to add a few more uh, data about yourself. So as such as your ID number, you will need to take face ID basically to confirm your ID and a few information, and after that you will be successfully in your new Kraken account. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you